Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming the obvious issues that often block hotspots. Check your phone battery level and signal strength first. Confirm the hotspot name and password match the device you want to join. Verify the phone shows the hotspot is active and visible to other devices. On the client device, toggle Wi-Fi off and on to refresh networks. Reboot the client device when a network list does not update after 30 seconds. If the hotspot still fails, restart the phone to clear temporary errors. Toggle the hotspot off and on and wait 30 seconds before re-enabling it. Change the hotspot frequency band between 4 GHz and 5 GHz to improve compatibility. Confirm the hotspot allows up to 10 connected devices and reduce connected clients if necessary. Check your mobile plan for tethering limits or data caps that may block sharing. When simple fixes fail, reset network settings to remove faulty configurations. After the reset, reconfigure the hotspot name and password and reconnect your devices. Test the hotspot using a different client device to determine whether the phone or client caused the issue. If the hotspot works with a different client, troubleshoot the original device network adapters. If it still fails, contact your carrier to check tethering permissions, account restrictions, or provisioning issues. Consider a factory reset only as a
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.